Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the FusedNFurious token. Ticker symbol is FNFS. Now it was just announced that this token will be listed tomorrow on a very big central exchange starting March 10th. This token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, their game, if you want to try out their game, it is a Telegram bot game that you can find on Telegram at FNFS_crazycar_bot. And they have 75,355 monthly users. It says, let's rush FNFS crazy game. Now, their webpage is FusedNFurious.xyz, and obviously this is a play off of the Fast and Furious, racing cars. And their Twitter, I'm going to put up right here in the corner of the screen at FNFS Official. It says, FusedNFurious is a high-speed mobile racing game that challenges players to navigate a dynamic 4-lane road. And then it has a link to their webpage right there. They just joined Twitter, January 2025, 49,500 Twitter followers, blue verified checkmark, and 28 tweets so far. Now, this token is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. You can find it on BSC scan. There's 18 decimal places on this token. They have a max total supply of 10 billion tokens. And it looks like it's not even available on PancakeSwap yet. This is a brand new token. And it will be listed tomorrow, March 10th at 8 a.m. UTC time, on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section tomorrow anytime after 8 a.m. UTC time, search the ticker symbol FNFS, and then simply just buy the token. Now, going on today on MEXC Global, there is a Kickstarter event where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops, and there is a reward pool available of 60,000 USDT. So make sure you check that out today on MEXC, and you check out the full listing tomorrow for this token on MEXC Global. Now, their webpage has links to their Telegram, Twitter, GitHub, Start the Game. It says, your journey begins on the ultimate racing track. Navigate thrilling obstacles, master your speed, and race to victory in the world of FusedNFurious. So why FusedNFurious stands out, it's a revolutionary blend of thrilling gameplay and blockchain innovation. Our game features unique and thrilling gameplay that combines dynamic obstacles, high-speed racing, skill-based challenges to keep players engaged and entertained, Seamlessly integrating blockchain technology, players can effortlessly earn and utilize FNFS tokens without any complexity, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. Designed to be accessible to players of all skill levels, the game offers a rewarding environment where everyone can have fun and reap the benefits, whether they are casual gamers or seasoned competitors. It says the roadmap overview to revolutionize game finance from concept to global expansion. You could see how FNFS is shaping the future of racing and blockchain. So starting in Q1 2025, the Telegram mini app beta launch. All you need to do is your best work together in one package and work seamlessly on your computer. And then Q2 this year all the way to Q4 this year, they have the public beta testing and gameplay requirements. All you need to do your best. I don't know why they keep repeating that, but okay. And then Q1 2026, official FusedNFurious game launch. And then after that, the global expansion and localization will come in Q3 to Q4 next year. So it's a long process here for this game. So it says powering the FNFS ecosystem with purpose and precision is the token. 50% of the tokens will go to the gameplay rewards, 20% to development growth, 15% to marketing, 15% to the team and reserves. The core utilities, it says fuel the fun, power the game, explore a world of endless possibilities with core utilities that enhance your gameplay experience. Unlock new maps and challenges, discover fresh content and thrilling adventures by unlocking diverse maps and unique gameplay scenarios. Compete in tournaments for rewards, test your drive skills against other users and win exclusive rewards in action-packed tournaments, and fuel the in-game economy. Support the game's ecosystem and ensure its growth and sustainability through active participation. So they show some of the characters. There's 3 different characters that you could pick from on the webpage there. They have their partners listed on here like Crypto Nova, GBV, BVC, Lumen Chain Capital, and Apex. And of course, this token will be listed tomorrow on MEXC Global. And the Kickstarter event is going on today. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And if you want to help support the channel, you could hit that join button and become a member. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.